Alright, we're making our Camp 1 approach to the summit of Horn Mountain. Cars going by. And it's been a pretty treacherous hike so far. We found out we weren't the only ones breaking trail up here. Cross-country skier ruining our fun. Are you tweeting or Instagramming at the moment?
Just checking messages and our GPS location, making sure we haven't gone off track. Oh, the streets are so well covered. That one over there, pretty deep.
I know, it says like Woodsid.
Yeah.
I can't make it out actually. You want to strap on the crampon soon, or stick with the ice axe? And...
I think we might need to break our oxygen tank, maybe crack the tanks open.
Oh, someone's got their Christmas. We're at the summit of Horn Pond Mountain after a treacherous climb up to the south face, the steepest part that is navigable by weirdos.
Check out the windswept cornice right over there.
We're planning to get about 12 feet of air after we launch ourselves off of that and into the bushes below. As you can see the faint skyline of Boston in the distance. This is truly a epic journey.
Monument Blizzard 2013.
Time to ski down. It was a difficult journey to get to the summit, but even more difficult was the ski down on the treacherous auto road at Horn Pond Mountain. We couldn't move at all for some reason, so we ended up just taking a turn into the trees. I'm glad we made it down without falling. Now we have to hike all the way back up because our bag is up there. This was the worst idea ever. Just passing through the Lynch Elementary School parking lot here. Skiing into Swan Street here. Normal everyday activity. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Gotta beat this tractor in. Hey, how's it going? You got your key card to get in, or? Oh, I guess all the gates are up.
So we just made an ascent of Horn Pond, and Peter's skiing back down Swan Street in Park, taking pictures of here in Winchester, Blizzard 2013. Apparently he's taking video of me taking video of him.
How's it going?
Good. Look out for that truck up ahead.
You got your key card?
Oh, we don't have a gate card. It's okay, I think we'll get in.